When issues with your Airflow pipelines arise in production, the faster you can identify the root cause, the faster you can solve it and keep your data fresh. Root cause analysis, or RCA, refers to the process of identifying the most upstream issue that caused a problem with your data. RCA is easy with Astro Observe, where you have unified views of all of the assets relevant to your data product and SLAs to notify you when something has gone wrong. If you get an alert indicating your data product has missed an SLA, the first thing you should do is look at the timeline view. This will show you any SLA misses and task failures and allow you to quickly zoom in on when the first issue occurred. From there, you can see the most upstream asset that caused the failure. The failure may not have occurred within your team's DAGs. If you were working from a task failure in the Airflow UI, this might be difficult to understand and debug. But with Astro Observe, you can quickly see the root cause and which pipelines it belongs to. Additionally, the AI log summaries can help you identify what caused the error in human-readable terms. You no longer need to sift through pages of logs to find the line in your code that failed, or remember what an error code of -9 means. This video series just scratches the surface of what you can do with Astro Observe. To learn more, click on the link in the video description.